Hello friends, welcome back to the YouTube channel. This is Rahul, and today we are going to see some different types of looms which is used in wire harness industry for cable protection, bundle protection as a functioning. So let's get started. So currently I am on this website Dell City. Dell City is the biggest supplier of this different types of looms because they have variety of category for the cable harnesses, cable harness protections. Okay, so here on this link you can get on this website. Next, I would like to say, first of all, they have the variety of category in the standard range and the high temperature range. In standard range, it covers near about up to the 100 degree Celsius, or sorry, 100 degree Fahrenheit criteria, and the next is greater than 100, means up to 300 degree Fahrenheit temperature. They have products available. Okay, so if whenever you design, or whenever you the question came in your mind during designing, how to select the looms, how to select the cable protection for the cable harnesses, so on this website we have to choose or select the looms which is applicable to your design or as per application. Okay, so first of all we will see this first one. The first type of the split loom is split wire loom. Here is the image. Click on this. After clicking on this, you will get in this subcategory of the loom you will get here, because this is the just split wire loom, but different types of split wire loom are there. Just like the first one is standard split loom. Here the standard split loom covers near about up to the 100 degree Fahrenheit temperature criteria. High temperature split loom covers near about 200 to 300 Fahrenheit temperature criteria. Okay, and as per application, if there will be UV resistant high temperature split loom, so you can select from here. Okay, first one is standard, second is high temperature split loom, third one is UV resistant high temperature split loom, fourth one is flame retardant split loom. So these are mostly used where there is a lots of flame is created, that industry or the machine, so they are on the harness they use flame retardant split loom. And next, red split wire loom. These are the different color looms are available, because sometimes colored looms are used for identification purpose sometimes, or spotted loom is also there. Split loom tubing dispenser box. Okay, so first of all we'll click on the standard split loom. If you click on this, you will get again some variety of the, what you can say, in standard split loom they have variety of sizes in standard, just like for 1 by 8, 1 by 4, 3 by 8. These are different sizes of the loom. And what is mean by that 1 by 8, what is the 1 by 4, what is 3 by 8? This is the internal dia or internal diameter of that looms. Okay, so just for example we'll see first one, split loom 0.125. if you divide 1 divided by 8, you will get this 0.125 inches. Okay, so this loom is applicable for the bundle dia, or we can say the bundle dia having, just click on this first one first. Always during selecting for any particular bundle dia, we have to select near about 50% to 70% extra diameter, so that on the basis of that you can select these different diameters. Okay, so here are the temperature ranges. It is applicable for -40 to 200 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, and also it is available in this temperature criteria, means this category cover the standard or as well as high temperature criteria also. Okay, Now here we will get different part number for this product are mentioned here 782, just like this. Black split loom 1 by 8. Okay, yeah. Now just get back, yeah, on this, and then again just click on read more. Okay, here some information is mentioned here. Get again back. Now we'll click on the high temperature split loom. Okay, so here you can see, first of all, what is meant by split loom. So we'll see in this first category. Split loom means the loom itself is split, just like this. Okay, here you can see this is split loom. Okay, color color of the loom is black, and here you can see one line. Okay, so different blue line, gray line are on this black color conduit. Okay, now, yeah, here is the temperature criteria for each and every looms. So according to your application or for design, you can select here. Okay, now moving towards next. Yeah, so here are different colors slotted looms. We'll see just what is a UV resistant high temperature split looms. Yeah, here are the category for whenever the criteria is mentioned, the loom should be UV resistant high temperature split loom. So you can select from here. Here are different diameter of the looms are available according to your bundle dia. You can choose. Okay. Now next, red. Yeah, different colors are there here only. Spotted loom we'll see now. Okay, these are the spotted looms. How is the construction of that? We'll see. Enlarge this image. Yeah, here you can see the spots are there on the loom. Okay, and here the temperature criteria, because main that we have to select according to temperature criteria. 4 slots allows for drainage of the harness. The material is used for a nylon material. Okay, go to the back. Okay, so we saw the split wire loom, and we are now just moving to non-split wire loom. So what is meaning of that non-split wire loom? So non-split wire loom don't have the splits or don't have any cuts on this plate, just like we'll see first one category or image. You can see that here, if you enlarge this image, this is total circular portion, and there is no cut on this cylindrical whole length of the conduit. Okay, as compared to previous one. Okay, just this difference is there. And if you compare this split and non-split loom, so split loom is most of the used, and non-split are not used most of the time in industry, because in split loom we can insert wire easily because it's split. Okay, so we just saw these two category. Now the third one is expandable sleeving loom. As you can see in this picture, click on this. The construction is just like this, different strings, or what we can say, standard expandable sleeve. We'll see first of all. This is the standard expandable sleeve. Enlarge this image, you can understand from this image how the construction is this. Just nylon lacings are what we can say used, and the structure is like this. Okay, and what is the meaning of the expandable? Means it expands after insertion. And how much it expands? Here it expands 2 times the original size. 2 times original size means if you have original size 100 millimeter, so 100 multiplied by 2, so it will expand up to 200. Okay, so this is the main function of this. Go back. Yeah, now in this category, expandable wire cable sleeving, lots of variety are available. Okay, so we just saw first one, it is now simple and standard, and the second one is flame retardant sleeving. So flame retardant sleeving is having just difference, what we can say, it is not expandable, but I think, yeah, flame retardant expandable sleeve, yeah, it's expandable. Yeah, and you can see the difference, that is the white nylon or white nylon color they have used during the constructing this loom. Okay, so here you can see it expands up to 150%, means the one, if the length is 100 mm, so 100 and the 150% of the 100 it can expand. Okay, now, and here there will be some criteria of the temperature. Okay, yeah, if you click on this part number, two parts are available here, 1/4, 1/8. If you click on of the part number, you will get temperature criteria. In that, temperature range is minus 94 Fahrenheit to 257 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, and the color also mentioned here, and here product group expandable sleeve. Okay, and diameter 1/8 inches. So all these things are mentioned on this website, so you can just select for your application. Clean cut expandable sleeve, here only the difference is that it has clean cut expandable sleeve. It don't have the white color nylon. If you enlarge this one, here you can see the construction. Just little differences are there. Cut and average resistance, increased braid density for fuller coverage. Okay, means the density of this construction is increased for fuller coverage. Resistant frying when cut with scissor, no hot knife required. Okay, so criteria is there. Now next are color expandable sleeving. So in expandable sleeving, different types of colors are available. The next is the flexo heavy wall sleeving. If you see one by one, you will get just little differences in construction according to application. Okay, so just go with your application, what you are designing or where you are designing, what is your criteria. So according to that you can select from here. Okay, now yeah, you can see other category in this from this website. I will put this website link in the description. Go back. Okay, so next is a braided sleeving loom. Click on this. Yeah, now the standard braided sleeving. If you click on this, just click on first standard braiding sleeving. So in the standard braided sleeving, it can't expand actually. Just previously we saw the expanded sleeve, but in this case of this, it not expands. Okay, so here somewhere it will be mentioned this braided silk wrap sleeving is soft and quite in high vibration environments, more flexible than split loom and more durable than spiral loom. Okay, loom material allows wire to be pulled out or new one inserted repeatedly. Okay, and it is applicable to minus 75 to 125 degree Fahrenheit temperature criteria, 125 degrees Celsius or 257 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, so just enlarge this image. Yeah, you can see the construction of this one. You can see one of the pick one of the part and get the detail of the specific part like this braided sleeving. Okay, as in this description they not mentioned it's extended or expanded, no. So this is just a braided flexible silk wrap, right? Silk wrap meaning it easily get install on harness. Yeah, like this. Go back now, and bulk standard braided sleeving, economy braided, different category are there for yeah, for standard braided leaving. Okay, so this was just standard braided leaving. Now next is flame retardant braided leaving. Okay, if you see the construction of that, enlarge the image, you can see there is a cut. Okay, so as just like split loom, so this is the braiding, so we can say split braiding or self wrap. Okay, flame retardant braided sleeving contains an organic flame inhibitor, braided self wrap. These are self wrap. Okay, because they have the cut outside, so it easily get installed on the harness. That's why. will not impact or affect flexibility of the wire. Temperature criteria is there to 57 Fahrenheit. Use the expandable tubing, hot knife. Okay, now go back, and the next one is 360 fully enclosed braided sleeving. We'll see how the construction look like of this. Click on enlarge. Okay, the construction is like this. Now go back. Durabit sleeving is there. Yeah, different variety of the braiding you can see. Braided weld wrap, then L6 liquid wrap. Okay, it looks different. We'll see how the construction of that is. Liquid wrap, enlarge the image. Okay, it has some wrap they have used. We'll see. Adhesive strip is the most clean. Okay, adhesive they have used. Okay, now next go back. Again go back. Yeah, now we just saw the braided sleeving loom. Okay, these 4 category we saw, and then high temperature protection loom also are there. If you click on this, so we'll get what actually criteria or how many category are there. Take the first category, fiberglass. Okay, so fiberglass high temperature braided looms. Here we'll get it resist to abrasion, gasoline, other engine chemicals. Okay, so it is mostly used in engine compartment, and it is applicable to 1200 degree Fahrenheit. It's used for very high temperature criteria actually. Okay, which type of fiberglass high temperatures? Black fiberglass high temperature wire loom is coated with a resin material to either deflect or encapsulate the temperature up to 1200 degree Fahrenheit from damaging sensitive wire, cables or hoses. It prevents or secure the wires. Okay, now enlarge the image. We'll see enlarge image. Okay, so these are the construction, how it look like, the fiberglass high temperature braided loom. Go back now. Now here is another one is thermal shield fiberglass loom. We'll see what is the application and how it is applicable. Here in the description you will get all the information of this all the category. Okay, just like these are all aluminized fiberglass products are made from an aluminum laminated fiberglass. Means the what you can say, the aluminum lamination is used. The material creates the thermal buffer between your wire, hoses or cables and the high temperature environments. Okay, so for high temperature environment it is applicable. If you pick one of the category, thermal shield tube, so we'll see exact information of that. It is applicable for 1200 degree Fahrenheit. Aluminum laminate reflect heat away. Aluminum material is used, so has best heat rejection property. So it's mostly used here the engine or gasoline industries. Now go back. Again go back. Yeah, so these are all subcategory of the high temperature wire protection. So whatever the temperature will be there, whatever less temperature or a high temperature, we will get the all type of looms on this website. Okay, here are different oven wiring loom, spiral wrap loom is also there, then metal sleeving loom is also there, heat shrink fabric loom is also there, electrical insulation loom is there, liquid tight tubing and fitting is there, and different loom clamps are there, loom clips and connector also available, and the main tool, insertion tool, which is required to insert the wires and bundles inside the loom, this tool is used. Okay, so you can have a look on this website, and definitely you will you have got some information from this video. So if you like it, kindly share this video and subscribe to this channel. If you are new on this channel, you will get the lots of video on design, wire routing, 2D, 3D related to Creo Parametrics, Zukin software, and the some are on AutoCAD. And the next software I have just started the NX CMenu software. So kindly subscribe the channel. It's my humble request.